Hey, what is up, Slashers? My name is Slashy, and in today's video, I am going to teach you guys how to make your own channel art for your YouTube channel. But first things first, I just wanted to say thank you to those who have subscribed to this channel already. It really means a lot to me. We are at 54 subscribers. If you're new to this channel, please consider yourself liking this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications so you'll never miss an upload. And without further ado, let's just start. Okay guys, so what you're going to do once you're at pixelart.com is you're going to press create new image, and then once you press the create new image, you're just going to type any name you want it to be. For example, like me, I'm just gonna put it as Slashy, and then in the width is you're gonna put 2560, and then in the height you're gonna put 1440 or 1440, and then you're gonna press transparent, and then you're gonna press OK. Now once you have done that, you're going to go to layers. You're gonna press open image as layer, and before you're going to do that, you're just going to get the channel art, which I'll be showing. You're just going to just download this right here. I'm gonna put it in the links in the description down below as well. And once you have downloaded it, you're going to press open image as layer, and then you're going to put it on the editor. So you're gonna press open, and once it is down here, you're going to press new layer right here, and then it's gonna be in layer 2, right? Now you're going to press the drawing tool, and then make sure it is in rectangle tool, and then you're just going to delete the top and the bottom of this channel art template, just like this. Okay, so I'm gonna do the bottom as well, just like that. Now once you are done with that, you're going to type in your channel name. Like for me, I'm going to put the size as 150 because it's the safest. And to get different fonts you're going to go to the font.com. I'll put it in the links in the description. Now you can basically get any font you like in this website right here. But since I already have my font, which is Hudson, which is right here, Hudson, I am going to directly just type in my channel name, and I'll put it there. And I'm going to change it to white for this video, of course, just so you can see it clearly. Now once you have done that, you're going to press the text, which is on the layers. So I put Slashy, so it is named as Slashy. Now you're going to right click it, go to layer styles, go to inner glow, gonna put a check mark there. You're gonna put the hardness to 10 and the size to 100. Now you can basically change the color to anything you like, but in this video I'm gonna choose white because white is the simplest and it's very clear. And I'm also going to add a drop shadow just so it can make it will look professional. And I'm gonna put 100 opacity. The distance is 5 and the size is also 5, and the color must be black because it's a drop shadow. And you're gonna click OK. Now once you have done that, like right there, you're going to add the Twitter and the Instagram logo, which is right here. So since I have already gotten my Instagram logo and my Twitter logo, I'm just going to directly do it. I'll put the links in the description of this as well if you want to get it. And once you have done that, you're gonna go to layer, open image as layer, and you're gonna basically add the Twitter logo and the Instagram logo, just like this. You're gonna move tool, gonna put it right there, and then go to edit, and then press free transform or Control T, and you're just gonna hold shift so that it will make it easier to make it smaller. It's not gonna be uneven. And then once you have done that, you're gonna apply the changes. Now the thing is, if you put this Twitter logo or any text on this area right here, the lighter gray ones, yeah, some of it cannot be seen anymore because the text or the safe area of the text is only in this area right here, this gray area. So if you're going to put it right here, it might be invisible in the channel art for your YouTube channel. Now once I have added once I have added the Twitter logo, I am going to go to its layer. I'm gonna go to layer styles. Sorry guys. I'm gonna change the opacity to 100, hardness to 10, size to 100. I'm gonna put the color to white, and then I'm gonna add a drop shadow, 100 drop shadow, distance of 5, and the size of 5. Gonna click OK, and just like that, the Twitter logo will turn white, and it is gonna be easier, or you can clearly see it now. Now once you have done that, you're going to add your Instagram as well. So I'm gonna add it right now. Instagram. Now just like before, I'm gonna press edit, free transform, hold shift so it will be even, and then move it. Okay. I'm gonna apply the changes first. Yes. Not. Let's make it smaller, like that. Apply changes. Yes. And just do the same. Gonna do layer styles, inner glow, opacity to 100, hardness to 10, size to 100. Gonna change the color to white. Okay, and okay. Oh, I almost forgot. Gonna add drop shadow as well, 100, distance of 5. Okay, right there. Size of 5 as well. Okay. Now once it is like this, you're going to add your text. So my Twitter name is @//slashy19. I think it is what it is. So I'm gonna put it to white. The text is white. I'm gonna put it down here. I'm gonna type /19. Now once you have done that, you're gonna press OK. And press OK, and then go to layer styles. Add. It's okay to never add an inner glow. You're just gonna directly go to drop shadow and do the same thing like this. Okay. Now once it is like that, I'm gonna add your Instagram as well. So my Instagram is @//jammies. So I'm gonna add it right here. Now I'm gonna lower up the size, just like that. Okay. Now just like before, the /19, gonna go to layer styles, drop shadow, opacity to 100, distance of 5, and size of 5. Click OK, and you're basically ready to go. Now once you are done with this, you're going to add your background. You can basically do any type of background, like space background, blue background, lightning background. But in today's video, I'm going to use my channel background, the one I use in my channel right over here, the lightning. So I am going to go to layers, open images layer, and then I'm gonna press the lightning right here. And then once it is like this, you're going to go to edit, free transform, hold shift, and then make it big. so like that, until it gets the whole screen. Now once you have applied the changes, yes, you're going to lower this right until right below layer 2. You see, just like my channel art already. So once you have done that, you can basically do this and you're already done. But since I wanted to add more like effects, I'm gonna go and add a layer, open images layer. I'm gonna add a black hole, black circle fade effect. You can easily go to Google and search it up and then download one of these. So I'm going to open it. So so it has already been added. Okay guys, so there has been an error, so I'm going to just let it stay right there. Now I'm gonna use this black circle fade right over here. I'm gonna press edit, free transform, hold shift, make it bigger so it will be darker, and move it to the side. So it has a little bit of effects already. Apply changes. Now it looks kind of okay. Now once you have done that, you're going to press layer 11 or whatever layer it is on your screen. You're gonna duplicate the layer. Now you're going to drag it. So you're gonna see like this line here. That means it has overpassed like the template. So all you gotta do is you're just gonna go to layer, rotate layer to 180, and then it will end up on the other side, and then you're just gonna drag it right until like the edge, and there you go. You already have your channel art, and you just gotta save /C. It's good for JPEG, but it's also good for PNG, but I'm gonna use JPEG because it's good for most photos. Gonna put the quality to 100, and then gonna press OK. Now I'm gonna change it. I'm just gonna put /C. So the image is already saved, so all I have to do now is gonna put it on my channel. So I am going to go to customize channel. Hold on. I'm going to press edit channel art, and then I'm just gonna upload the photo. So the photo is named /E right here. I'm gonna wait for it to upload, so I'll catch you guys when it's done. Alright, so it is done. The channel art is going to look a bit different across devices. So this is what you will see when you're on desktop, when you're on mobile, and when you're on TV. And you're just gonna press select, and you will see that there it has changed. So hope you guys understand this video, and then you're just going to do the same thing. Make sure to do this clearly, because yeah, as you can see right here, I messed up a bit because I put it on full screen. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, if you're new, go subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment down below what games you want me to play or what other videos you want me to make. And also turn on post notifications so you'll never miss an upload from me. And that's all I can say. Peace out. Goodbye.